Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to today's tutorial video. In this video, we're going to show you how to sign up on the YouHodler Exchange. So, you can go to the TradingFinder website, select the crypto exchange option in the review section, and then choose YouHodler from the available exchanges. On this page, you can find comprehensive and complete information about this exchange. Now, after entering the exchange's website, you can start the registration process by clicking on the Sign Up button here. On the next page, first enter your country of residence in this section, and then you'll need to provide an email and password here. For your password, we recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure sufficient security. Also, if you have a referral code, you can enter it in this section. Finally, after entering your information, agree to the website's terms and conditions and click on Sign Up. A 6-digit code has been sent to your email, which you need to enter here to verify your account. Go to your email inbox. The required code has been sent to you. Enter the received code in this section, and as you can see, your account has been successfully created. In the next videos, we'll guide you through verification, deposits, and withdrawals on this exchange. Wishing you success and profitable trades.